Namaste and welcome to day 9 of Mindful 30 journey, and today's practice is about cultivating energy. Well, with that, as you see me standing, I encourage you also to stand up on the top of your mat. Close your eyes and just take this time to settle and ground yourself to the floor. Try to feel the surface beneath you. And while you do that, imagine someone's reaching out from the universe. So you're reaching out from your head up to the infinity. And this force is lengthening you and grounding you at the same time. You're receiving all the beautiful energy from everything around you. And with that collected energy, let's approach this practice starting with one beautiful Om sound. So join your palms at heart center. Let's chant it together after next inhalation. Inhale. Have a simple intention for yourself for this energizing practice ahead of you. And once you're clear with it, you can gently relax your hands. We'll start with combining two movements and do it repetitively for some times. We'll do two movements repetitively and you have to follow the breathing with it. So the first movement is inhaling arms up and exhaling, bending your knees and releasing it. Inhaling arms up, bending your knees and releasing it. Inhaling arms up, bend, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Lovely. Inhale, exhale. Now stay down for me. Release your hands. Just let your body sway here, right and left. Let's do this a couple of times. Right, left. Release your hands. Soften your knees if you feel like. And from here, all we have to do is two steps, right? So you're going to take your right leg back. And then you're going to pull that leg back from where you started. Yeah. So right leg back. Then pull it up ahead. Good. Right and back. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. You can go slower than my pace. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Stay in the center. From here, make sure your knees are bent if you need to. There's no harm in bending your knees. I personally love softening my knees. Left leg and back. Remember, balancing on both the sides. Let the body heat up as you coordinate your movements with the breath. Yes. Keep going. Inhale to look up. Exhale to push back. Inhale and exhale. Stay. Breathe. From here, you're just going to come into plank for me. So you can come into plank like this or with your knee down. Both of them is an option and we just stay there. Breathe. Full plank or plank on the knee. Both of them is an option. Lovely. Like I said, two steps, remember? So with the knee or without the knee. So one is without the knee, this one. And with the knee is this one. So follow along with your preferred option. Inhale when you look up. Exhale when you look down. Inhale when you look up. Exhale when you look down. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. And rest in child's pose. Slowly come up. Lift up your knees and walk your legs ahead between and in the front towards your palms. Keep your head relaxed. Let your body hang there for some time. Allow it to surrender. Give it some space. You'll observe your heart rate is a little spiked up right now, and that is good. Give it some time to settle. As you come up, soften your knees, keep your chin to chest, and slowly come up. Lovely. By now you must have understood. We're doing sun salutation, Surya Namaskar. So let's combine everything together and follow me along. Let's do this. Exhale, join your palms at heart. Inhale, take your arms all the way up. Exhale, soften your knees, slowly go down. Inhale, right leg back, right knee down, look up. Hold your breath, plank. Slowly knee, chest, forehead down. Inhale, slowly go up. Exhale, slowly go back. Inhale, step the right leg ahead. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, arms all the way up. Exhale. Alright, I know for some of you this might have been a little faster, but the idea is to keep up with it. Don't strive for perfection. Don't strive for any particular intention, aim that you have that this should look like this. No. Just keep up with me as much as you can. It's okay if you have to skip something, but follow me along. Let's create good heat and energy. Exhale, turn your palms. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, down. Let's go for the left side now. Inhale, left leg back. Hold your breath, plank. Exhale, knee, chest, forehead. Inhale. Exhale. Very good. Inhale, left leg ahead. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, arms all the way up. Exhale, join your palms and release. Now for the people who find it difficult to come ahead from downward dog into the lunge, and it's difficult, you just drop your knee, place your hand ahead, and then slowly make your way through it. Let's do it together. Right side, exhale, join palm arms. Inhale, arms all the way up. Exhale, all the way down. Inhale, step the right leg back, right knee down, look up. Hold your breath, plank. Exhale, knee, chest, forehead. Inhale up. Exhale back. Inhale, right leg ahead. We start with the right and with the right. Left leg ahead. Inhale, arms up. Exhale. You must be noticing that I'm still able to talk while I'm doing this. How is that happening? Well, if you breathe correctly, you can also talk and be alive like the way I am. So focus on the cues I'm giving you for breathing. Exhale, join your palms. Inhale, arms all the way up. Exhale, all the way down. Inhale, left leg back. Hold your breath, plank. Exhale, knee, chest, forehead. Inhale up. Exhale back. Inhale, left leg ahead. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, arms up. Awesome, exhale. Let's keep going. Exhale, join your palms. Inhale, arms all the way up. Exhale, all the way down. Inhale, step the right leg back. Just 2 more rounds. Hold your breath. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale up. Exhale back. Inhale, step the right leg ahead. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, arms up. Exhale. Exhale, join your palms. Inhale, arms all the way up. Exhale, all the way down. Inhale, step the left leg back. Hold your breath, plank. Exhale, Ashtanga Namaskar. Inhale up. Exhale back. Inhale, step the left leg ahead. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, arms up. Exhale. We're done with 6 of them already. Let's go for 2 more. Let's do it. Exhale, join your palms. Inhale, arms all the way up. Exhale, all the way down. Inhale, step the right leg back. Hold your breath. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Right leg inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Let's go left side. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Hold your breath. Exhale. Inhale. Beautiful. Smile it out. Exhale. Feel that energy building in you. Left leg inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. We're done with 8 rounds, people. This is amazing. I know you were prepared just for 8, but we'll make it a round figure. Let's do 10 of it now. Let's do it. Don't give up. Let's go. Exhale. We have this energy with us. Inhale. We're stronger than we think. Inhale, step the right leg. Hold your breath, plank. Exhale, knee, chest, forehead. Inhale up. Exhale back. Inhale, right leg ahead. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, arms all the way up. Exhale. Last one. Let's do it. I promise this is the last one. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Hold your breath. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Just stand still. Close your eyes and just breathe. Feel the energy you're surrounded with. Not just externally, but also internally. Lovely. This was such a beautiful practice, and I really hope you're feeling that energy that I was talking about. And yes, if not, maybe you can go for another 10 rounds. Yeah, go for it. Thank you so much for practicing with me, and I hope you had a good time. Make sure you rested out before carrying on with your day. Thank you very much.